Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is business development and reasons to get through the door. Now, I see a lot of really good, relevant, meaningful reasons to get through the door. It could be in a financial year, it could be a new product, a new release, I'm a new rep, all sorts of reasons and excuses. Marketing brought something out new they want to show people. Out these reps go, excited up to the eyeballs with their flag of this is my reason, and that's fine. But what I'm going to get you to consider is this. These reps are often lost through quite a few months of the year when there's no obvious outside reason to get in the door. So I put this to you. How about you look at your solution, product, service, or whatever the solution is, and ask yourself, this surely is reason enough, without any other excuse. So if you need a helping hand with this, look at a client that already uses it, immerse yourself in how much they're getting out of it, and then just ring people up and go on its own merits. You don't need those extra excuses. You should look at it and think, I can help people with this. This is going to help their business grow. This is going to help them save money, make money, whatever it is. And then pick the phone up, make appointments, and sell it on its own merit. And of course, other times during the year, should marketing come up with something or the company, of course, that's an extra reason to do 4 times as many calls, but your leading reason is its own merits. If you think a colleague would find this useful, then do share. If you make a comment, then do so below. And if you want more tips on how to grow your business fast, more reasons, excuses, or just general business growth, then subscribe below. This is Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.